Hello and welcome to Experiment 4, Digital Twins for Additive Manufacturing, ensuring compliance across multiple machines. Due to variability and a general lack of process understanding of the metal powder bed fusion process, it can be difficult to ensure that components produced are correct without significant post-processing validation, and even more difficult to monitor process drift over time. 3D MedLab are a French-based specialist in additive manufacturing and the medical device sector, carrying out process engineering, design, and production of medical devices in additive manufacturing. They are keen to see how digital twins can optimize their validation processes. IMR are the ISV for this experiment and are also a DIH in the consortium. IMR works with leading global and indigenous brands to deliver high-impact collaborative research, specifically in the areas of digitization, automation, advanced manufacturing, and sustainability. The main objective of this experiment is to create a digital twin of the metal powder bed fusion process with the aim of improving manufacturing reliability across several machines regarding machine variance and product quality. This is the basic overview of our technical architecture. We stream machine sensor data up to the cloud and use the Cloudworker platform resources to carry out our analysis using machine learning algorithms, modeling the data as a digital twin based on the sensor information, and visualizing it in the cloud. This allows users to remotely log in and view the data and increases the transparency of the process, bringing vital process information to the fingertips of key decision makers. The app presents different options for process control and analysis. Upon logging in, we land on the status dashboard that shows real-time monitoring of the main machine sensors. This overview allows for quick and easy health checks by any user thanks to the representative color ranges. A build can be paused to fix issues as they are detected by the algorithm, or the machine can be stopped to avoid waste of time and materials. The solution is remotely accessible to facilitate lights-out manufacturing. Entire time series can also be displayed for each sensor during or after a print. Different features can be displayed by selecting the related sensor. Anomalies are highlighted on the graphs thanks to the anomaly detection algorithm that has been defined from the digital twin analysis. Engineers and trained users are then made aware of process drift and potential anomalies and can decide if they are critical or not, and consequently adopt the post-process quality check procedure. As a result, the entire process can become optimized. Visualization and analysis of historical data is also possible and is used to detect machine-to-machine variation, potentially leading to optimized machine qualification procedures. The machine models will evolve over time and highlight undesirable machine drift, leading to an improvement of the preventative maintenance scheduling. This experiment has been very rich for 3D MedLab in terms of digital twin technology understanding and application. The application developed represents a big step forward in process data valorization by utilizing data streams that were unused until now, and can lead to R&D process optimization with more transparency on machine behavior. From an ISV perspective, IMR has gained crucial knowledge on monitoring approaches that can be used to compare multiple similar machines, and has developed an application based on the DIGITbrain concept to validate and possibly commercialize these ideas. Further development is required in the application as it is only in an alpha testing phase, but this experiment has firmly proven the value of this solution.